Multi-lane roundabouts. A lot of learners find these difficult to cope with. It's just like a normal roundabout. This one we're going to take our third exit right. I'm already in the right hand lane. This can be reinforced on our entrance by using a white line to guide us in to our right. See, the left line then becomes a second lane to our left, and all we're going to do really is drive around the roundabout staying in the lane. Got this hard curb to our right. Just going to follow that round into the roundabout. As you can see, we've got new information there helping us to stay to our right hand side. We enter the lane again. On this one I've decided I'm going to exit by exiting into lane 2. Let's come across. Here we're going to go left, first exit, towards Liverpool. So we're in a lane at the moment. This is the lane we're going to stay in. Now the white line wriggles across to the right hand side and puts a second lane to our right. However, we're going to aim for the left hand lane, always keeping left wherever possible, and stopping behind the car in front of us. Again, you can just see the white line markings, but we've also got this curb. That's going to help us all the way around this roundabout. So we've got a curb going into the roundabout. We want to go first exit left. Just keep the curb in view at the same distance all the way round. And it doesn't matter what happens to our right. We're not interested in those lanes. This is the lane we want. This is the lane we're going to stay in. Again, we can see the lane to our right. We're staying in the left-hand lane. There's 2 lanes going around this final part, so just keeping nice and tight to the roundabout. This one, I'm going to go left, first exit. I'm going to leave you alone to look at the signs and lines yourself. So it goes from 2 into 1 lane again. So we've got a curb and a white line, helping us, guiding us through this roundabout. But all we really need to do is keep that curb in close to our left, and there'll be no issues with conflicts with other traffic and moving across lanes. Last clip, we're going to have a look at Bridgefoot. It goes from 2 lanes, we want the left hand lane for the A49, into 3 lanes. As you can see, we've got 2 here. We're going to keep in this left hand lane. As we go around the corner, the paint's quite worn, but it actually opens up from 1 lane here into 2, and we're just going to follow this white line in to the right hand lane of the 2. Don't need to indicate as we've not actually crossed the white line, and we're going to stop in this position in lane 2, A49. If we wanted to move lanes now, we would have to indicate because we intend to cross a white line. But as we're not going to move lanes, we're just going to stay in this lane, that's fine. Okay, it goes from 3 now, excuse me, up to 4 lanes. We want lane 2, which is our centre lane. Lane 1 to our right, not interested in that. What we're going to do is keep that same distance all the way around. Follow the white lines in, keep the same amount of steering on, and it should guide us to the beginning of the white lines again for our lane. As you can see, we've got a positive reinforcement there. We're in the A49. Just going to follow those white lines again. On this occasion, I'm going to leave the video running all the way through. So again, we're just going to stay in this lane. A49. And we want effectively the second exit off this roundabout. The first one goes into the bus depot, so we're not going to indicate in case it causes any confusion. A lot of people ask me about indicating off this roundabout, and quite simply, if it's not going to benefit anybody, don't do it. And the reason is, you see the white line to our right now. As we go out onto the roundabout, that white line will continue on the roundabout, guiding us to our destination. Just watch what happens here, next to me on the right. You'll see A49, little dotted white line, guiding us into this exit lane. So it's the only way we can go. No need to indicate. Oh, that's helped.